Whoa. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, welcome and welcome back to your average brother. On today's video on the channel, we're going to be installing lowering spring. This is Eibach Pro Kit lowering spring. I think they're like 2 feet, one for the one before 2013 and the one after, because this is the one before 2013, and I did a little bit of digging around just to get this. But yeah, finally they're here, and today is a very good day for me to do it. The weather is all right, the sun is out, I'm off work, so why not? So this is the first time I'm doing this. I expect it to be a little bit tough. Anyways, this promises to reduce the car by I think around 1 inch, so I'm not looking to slam it to the ground, just just to make it look like the ST version of this car, and kind of what I want, the kind of profile I want, just low but not too low. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go right in and jack the car up and see where we go from there. We need to take this protective covering off, this one and this clips, so we can get to the bolts here, which then leads to the suspension, of course. So yeah, it's coming up. Whoa. Relax, buddy. Whoa. Let me see, where did I go to?
Yeah.
It's not too serious then. We need this bolt out, and then the other one, and I'm sure it's a T30. Got that out. We'll do the same for the other side. Got that out, and then this comes off easily. So, ta-da! With that bit out, it gives us access to these 3 bolts, which we do need to take off, because we need this, and that off, and then we can get to the suspension. I'm just going to take 2 out, losing 1, and just keep that 1 bolt there for now. Then we'll work on the bottom part. Right. Okay. First one out. At the end of the day, traditional is better. See how easy that is to get out. The last one is a bit tricky because of the way this is right now. Okay, I think I have. Yeah. So, second one out. 2 bolts out, 1 left, loosen up a bit. In fact, let me loosen it up more. So now that we have 2 out of the 3 bolts of the top mount off, what we need to do is take this brake line in connection off, and take this bolt that links the drop link off. Then we can. This is the main problem here. You see this point here is so hard to get the suspension out of this hub here. So God help us, we do it easily, but we'll see how that goes. Now let's take this off and get that drop link out. we have that out now. Viola. To be fair, yeah, I bought a new set of drop links because I felt like, I know this must have been here for the, you know, the entirety of this car's life, and it's still a bit stiff, you know. I can't feel any play in there, but you know, just as a maintenance routine, I think I'll just change it since I already bought the part anyway. So that will be something we'll be doing next once we get this out. For now, that one is out. Let us, yeah, that's out. Let us try and get this out then. It's not coming off. It's literally not coming off. I think I need a little bit of WD-40 because that's not coming off at all. I'm just gonna put a little bit of WD-40 there and let that sit for a while. I wait for that to sit. Let's just do everything that we've done here on the other side. Under the left wheel well, I replicated everything we've done at the other side here. Took out the bolts connecting the brake lines and the drop links. Took those out, and now I'm trying to wedge a space between the wheel hub just so I can get the strut out. This process is very difficult and time consuming. Honestly, you can spend like hours just trying to get the strut out of the wheel hub. But at the end of the day, I got it free and I was able to move on from there. And this is the top mount, and I have a replacement part for this because I don't know how long this has been. I mean, I feel like this has been here for the duration of this car's life, and we got new ones to go on top. So yeah, but for now, let's get this spring out and put the replacement in. So guys, it is now day 2 of what I thought would originally be around, you know, 4 or 5 hours of work, and I still have a rounded bolt on the car. This here, I still have a rounded bolt somewhere here which I have not been able to take out. And today I am just going to try as much as possible to do the two rear wheels. That shouldn't be too hard to get to because it's basically just the suspension bolt here torqued down. It says use a spring compressor to get the springs out. I don't know how a spring compressor will fit in that, but I'm definitely gonna do that today. Do those two, then I don't know how I'm gonna work with the rounded bolt. I've run out of ideas to get that off. But yeah, let's do the rear first, and then we'll come back to that after we've successfully managed this. So let's go. A couple of hours later. This is the current progress of things right now. I have the rear spring out already now. I have this out. It took a lot of tugging and whatnot to get this down a bit like this, just so I can get this spring out. So I'm trying to replicate everything I've done now here on the other side, because the spring is still here and this is looking like it's stuck on, but I'm not even scared yet. I'm just gonna hit this part up here. Where is it? Oh yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna hit that part up with a blowtorch and see if that comes off. So once that comes off, then I can go ahead and take out the springs. I already have the bushing out here. If you can see closely, the anti-roll bar bushing, I have the out, but it's just refused to come off completely. I think it's properly stuck on. I've tried everything, but that's not too much of a worry, because right now the anti-roll bar, it moves a bit, so it's giving me a little bit of a leverage for me to be able to drop this control arm. So all I need right now is to get this bolt off, and then I can drop this arm and take out the other spring. So there you go. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of fire. I'm so glad that came out easily. So yeah, now I can drop this down and then see how I can get this out now. So let's do that. Let's not waste any more time. All right. Ooh.
They say you die when you don't dream. Yeah. Guess I'm alive cause I still believe. Look at the sky, turn what you see. I see stars that look like me. Take a guess how I live. Bet every time you be wrong, you couldn't walk a mile in these kicks. You don't even know the path where I've been. Talk about rolling coins to make ends. Took a lot of L's but never did quit. Took it on the chin and look at my strength. Place that bet, the chips are all in. Sit the pressure, no pressure. I'm here for the bank, you're here for the extras. Just me and the fam, I don't need no extras. It's the ones that I love that I treat like treasure.
Welcome to day 3 of trying to install Eibach lowering springs on my Ford Focus. Right now, I've resorted to drilling the rounded off bolt, so that's what I'm going to be trying to achieve today. My main goal is to get that bolt out, because that's literally the only thing that's been drawing me back now. That is the bolt that I've been trying to get off, which has been causing me several problems. And now I'm trying to drill it from the other end, because I think this is where it's stuck, because that is the only part where the thread is. The thread is literally at the end of it, and if it's not moving, then it's because either this thread has been stuck on, or it's been rusted on, or corroded, or whatnot. So I'm trying to drill out starting from that end, and we'll see where we go from there.
Several song-filled hours later.
After hours on end trying to get this single bolt out, I'm ready to be a mechanic now. Is anybody taking an apprenticeship, please? If you are, and you're in Newcastle, send me a comment, please. I'm ready to be an apprenticeship. I've done my time. Yeah!
Oh my god.
I've just noticed something. All this while, yeah, I've always noticed like a lean towards the you know, the driver's side, I never noticed that my springs were actually broken. Like, if you take a closer look at this here, see, it's literally snapped. It's literally snapped. Well, me alone, decrease me here, eject me from the spring. Ah. Oh my god. After I had successfully taken out the old spring, it was simply a case of reversing everything I did to get the new springs in place and into the wheel well. And with the last spring now in the car, we can successfully round up this tedious assignment. The car was already in need of a wash, and because the weather was too cold, I took it to an automatic car wash instead. After the wash, I took the car for a drive just to see how it performed, and safe to say I wasn't disappointed. We've been to the car wash, we've tested the car, I've let the car sit for I think a couple of hours now, and it's properly seated now, and I can tell, like, from here you can see it's just two. Let me see the front as well. It's just like, yeah, perfect, subtle. It's a win-win for me, honestly. I love it, and I love the way it handles as well. But if you want to do this, please have somebody around you, maybe a friend, a brother, a girlfriend, because that is hard work. Honestly, just bringing the strut out from the wheelbase is hard work. You wouldn't expect it. Honestly, don't underestimate the job. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, don't forget to drop a comment, share with your friends, and obviously, yeah, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.